First of all, I used to work for SAP as a C4C consultant for many years. Secondly, at Elixir Solutions, I'm already working with HubSpot since 2016, and we are now an elite partner. Thirdly, at Elixir, we did already more than 30 integrations between HubSpot and C4C, and we are really specialized in it. Firstly, there is a buyer's journey alignment. Secondly, there is a better view on the marketing campaign return on investment. Thirdly, there is a better segmentation possible in HubSpot. The marketing qualified leads can be sent from marketing in HubSpot to the salespeople in C4C. So that means that sales has all the information required to be able to qualify the lead further, and it guarantees that no leads get lost between marketing and sales. So it's crucial for marketing to know the return on investment of their marketing campaigns. So that's why in the integration, we send back the opportunity data from C4C to HubSpot as a deal. So marketing has a complete view on what the return is of their marketing campaigns. By integrating company and contact information from C4C as the master to HubSpot, marketing has a broader view on all the segmentation options which they can use to do more personalized marketing activities. Firstly, there are the different data models between HubSpot and C4C. Secondly, you risk messing up your complete customer database. Thirdly, there's a change management within the organization. So the data model between C4C and HubSpot is different. For example, in C4C, you have a lead and a contact, while in HubSpot, you only have a contact object. This requires a secure and proven middleware solution. If you set up the integration incorrectly between HubSpot and C4C, you risk messing up your complete customer database. For example, your marketing might override all the customer data in your CRM C4C. The integration between HubSpot and C4C also requires that your marketing and sales should be well aligned. This requires often some change management within the organization and brings its own challenges. So if you have any questions, you know who to contact.